Yeah, is to understand how to create a menu in WordPress. Okay, see, this is very regular and very useful. Most of the people are in confusion to create a menu, especially in WordPress. Let me focus. To create menus, you can go for either pages or categories, but mostly in order to post day by day articles or stories, we go for categories. The difference between these pages and categories: pages represents only a page of content, whereas categories are to post different type of posts every day. Understand? Either if you want, you just try to go for a page, at the same time you go for a category. Now I am going to create categories. You just try to click on categories. Better. So see, the category is stories. If you want, you just try to apply a description. Better, you just try to directly add category. And this is one more category name. This is called articles, and I go for sports here, and this is sports. Similarly, just try to add okay certain categories. If you want, you also go for a page, create a page here. About us is our page name. So see, you try to write some description. This is edutech computers. We provide online and classroom training for PHP, CMS tools and frameworks. Okay, it's only an example. It's my institute name, of course, which is located in Vizag. You just try to publish this page. Understand? Now we have a page, we have certain categories, and to create a menu, go to appearance tab and go to menu again. See, in order to set a menu, there should be at least a root item, root element. I mean to say root menu name. If there is no root menu name, you cannot use and you cannot create a menu. The reason, you just try to enter any name like this, and then select save menu option. Once you have given a name for this, better you just try to select this name and save this name like this. I mean, see, this is only for accessing your home page. You just try to give any name, whatever you like. Understand? So after that, go to your pages. You have a page. I would like to convert this about us page as a menu item. Then I can select and I can add it to my regular menu. See, this is the way. And you go to categories and you just try to select a categories. Okay, which category you want to turn as your menu, you just try to select that and again select add menus. Understand? And even if you want, you just try to arrange menu position. Okay, so and see the process. This is the way you just try to arrange menu items however you like. Order of menus can be taken in this particular area. After that, you must select this save menu option. Now you just try to access your website. Okay, see the website which contains about us, articles, sports, stories. About us, articles, sports, stories. If I turn these articles first, automatically after saving this, automatically my page changes order of menus. Articles first has taken place, about us, sports, stories. Accordingly, just try to select the category at the time of posting an article. See, at the time of posting an article, you have a choice to select category. Here is the category. Understand? Using this category, you just try to publish your post. This is post for articles. Hello article. Choose this article section. By default, it comes in the first page. At the same time, it comes with your regular home page. Okay, so this is your article. When you go to this article, again it displays that articles. Okay,